All right. So I guess by demand, I need to show y'all how to do studio mode the way that I use it. And the way that I use studio mode is to make changes to my scenes without showing the stream what I'm doing. If you've ever been in a position where you're live on Twitch or YouTube or wherever, and you were playing a game and you're gonna switch that game, you're closed that one game, so now you have a black screen or you have a big old thing that says, looking for game capture, and you're trying to avoid that altogether. Here's how you do it. So we're going to turn on studio mode. Okay. And what studio mode does is it lets you see a preview over here on this side of what's happening on your end while your stream is still seeing everything that happens over here. Okay. So let me get out of studio mode real quick and let's just set this up. Same over here. Now I'm playing Murky Divers, but I'm ready to close this game. I'm going to play something else. So what I can do is I can come over to just chatting and hey, blah, 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 chat stuff, whatever. And the whole time I'm just clicking on studio mode. I'm coming over to gaming and I'm changing this window to my next game that I've already got opened up. We're going to switch over to Megabunk. And now Megabunk is ready up in my preview. Turn off studio mode and we come over to gaming and bam, now we're in Megabunk. And that's what I use studio mode for a dozen times a stream. Let's say I'm having like an audio issue and I don't understand what's going on. Forgot to grab an audio that's in one scene and I need to put it in this scene. Same thing. Click on studio mode. I come over to all of my audio sources. I'm going to make a copy of Spotify real quick. Then I come back over here to my gaming scene. I can paste it in there. Bam. Now Spotify's in here. And now we're good to go. If something exists already in another scene, you need to add it to this one. You can do that in studio mode without ever leaving the scene. Turn studio mode off. And now we've got Spotify in here. And we'll be able to capture that no problem. So get creative with it and use it to your advantage. It's a really great tool to be able to make changes on the fly while you're already live, and I highly recommend everybody use it.